French, liberté, occasion, démocratie, riquesse, santé, tarte aux pommes, christianisme, égalité. Português, liberdade, oportunidade, democracia, riqueza, saúde, torta de maçã, cristianismo, igualdade. Italian, libertà, opportunità, democracia, riqueza, salute, torta di mele, cristianesimo, l'uguaglianza. Spanish, libertad, oportunidad, democracia, riqueza, salud, tarta de manzanas, cristianismo, igualdad. German, Freiheit, Gelegenheit, Demokratie, Wohlstand, Gesundheit, Apfelkuchen, Christentum, Gleichheit. Persian, Azadi, Farsat, Salamat. That's the only ones I had for that one. I didn't write the other ones down.
That's fine. Can you just say them in English too?
English, liberty, opportunity, democracy, wealth, health, apple pie, Christianity, equality.